If you've ever been told, oh, you have such a lovely voice, I could listen to you talk all day, or if you just like telling stories, creating characters, and you want to make reading books aloud your job, or if you've written your own book and you want to self-produce your own audiobook to get it out there to the wide world, firstly, congrats on the book. Next, for any and all of the above, I got you covered. I'm Jay. I'm an award-winning audiobook narrator and voiceover artist and coach with hundreds of titles under major publishers, independent authors, blah, blah, blah. Here's the thing. When I was starting out, I knew nothing. It was years of grueling trial and error, so many failures, a few successes, and as I was tunneling through that nightmare of doubt and confusion, I thought to myself, nobody should ever have to do this with so little support ever again. Enter this app. I've put together everything that I've learned over my 20 plus years in professional performance on stage and screen, my training from NYU, put it all together in one place so you have a one-stop shop that'll guide you through the whole process and give you the support that you need and deserve to get where you wanna go. You'll learn how to set up your space, the equipment you'll need, different vocal exercises, and how your voice works so you can use it well, stay healthy, build stamina, and set the foundations for a long and fruitful audiobook career. We'll talk about performance techniques, acting background stuff, how you can perform different characters, different character voices, approaching different types of genres. We'll break down the technical process, how to record your book, edit your book, process it and master it so it's ready for Audible, ACX, all of the distribution platforms where the wide world is going to hear your beautiful words and performance. You'll learn it all, and it will adapt itself to you specifically as you've seen before. So if you're ready for all that and it sounds good to you, I'm here for you. Let's get started.